health is awesome, and be safe from COVID. Okay, so I'm here to do something. I'm gonna share some of my views on this book, which I like the most. I hope it help you to tackle the problems in your real life. It help you to think beyond your thoughts, which we go on in our daily life, like we compare ourselves with someone, or we do think whether it's gonna happen with us or not, and all these things I also feel, and it's very natural. Okay, but you have to think how you will get out of this trap and all. So maybe some of my thoughts would help you. So yes, I'm gonna tell some of my important thoughts on this book by Joseph Murphy, The Power of Subconscious Mind. You can take it as a book review, and you can take it as a audio book something. No, but it can't be audio. I'm also sitting here. It can be video book, something of that sort. Yeah, like this, and it won't be a long. I will do 10 to 15 minutes of my. I will make it 10 to 15 minutes video, so that it won't feel like, oh my god, 20 minutes, I want to watch it or not. That sort of thing is not going to happen. So yeah, okay, then I will start now. So on the first page of this book is written a line which I liked the most. This book is all about this line only. It is, for as a person thinketh in his subconscious mind, so is he. So first I would like to tell what is subconscious. Our mind is basically two type: conscious, subconscious. Conscious is matlab I am speaking right now. It is conscious. Okay, we are aware of this thing, but there are many functions which happen in our body, like our liver is functioning, our heart is pumping blood, we are breathing. We are not aware of this thing. Matlab we are aware, but it is not in our hand. It happens due to subconscious mind. Okay, so this is all about subconscious mind. Means we are not aware, but something is going in this subconscious mind. So what is this line? For as a person thinketh in his subconscious mind, so is he. So the first thing is, never ever think some of the things in your conscious mind which you don't want it to be real, or you don't want it to be happen. For instance, if you are going in an interview, don't think whether I'm going to make it or not. Think you are going to make it, and be with that confident in that interview कि you are going to crack that interview, or you're giving any competitive exam or any sort of that thing. This line, oh my god, the law of life is the law of belief. Okay, anything you're going to do, first you have to believe in that thing. Anything, whether be it in sports or anything, you are going to start a startup company, or you're going to play for Olympic, you're going to represent your country in any of those things, or you are going to be in a mediocre job. But you have to believe in the process, believe in your hard work. Believing in yourself is the first step for anything which is real. What is happening nowadays? We are doing something, we are thinking, oh my god, I'm not gonna do this, ये तो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. This type of thing is very common, and very too much we are involved in this capitalist world कि we have forgotten some of the real values which is lacking, which I found very much lacking in this world, which is necessary, which was there in our ancient culture, but we are not. It is not here in our present world due to globalization. Everything is all about money. Everything is all about making stuff which was going to give it profit. Where is your happiness? Your happiness is not there. How to? Even if you're very rich, or even if you're poor, mediocre, everyone is not satisfied, unhappy. So this happiness, you have to grab it. You have to bring it in your life. You have to change your thinking pattern, your thought process. So how you're gonna make it happen? For that, you have to start believing some of your values which were in our culture, जो हमारे culture में पहले से ही थे, and we have forgotten all those things, and now we are blaming, oh my god, nothing is happening, oh my god, how we are gonna deal this thing, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Every time it's oh my god, and you are remembering God only when you need the God. Oh my god, and like that you are never ever remembering. Okay, that's your choice. Okay, so this is the line. The law of life is law of belief. Start believing. Simple as that. Even if you want to do a small thing, start believing. It will bring miracle in your life. And there are many instances of very much good examples in our society who have believed in themselves, be it APJ Abdul Kalam. You can see around yourself also who have believed in themselves so that the result should be good. Okay, so believe, just believe. Okay, and thought pattern को बदलना है, ऐसी में नहीं डूबे रहना है. Oh my God, what is going to happen? Okay, that's fine. Leave it, but believe yourself. Okay, so moving forward, some of more lines in this on the page 13. It is, all you have to do is unite mentally and emotionally with the good you wish to embody. The creative powers of your subconscious will respond accordingly. Begin now, today. Let wonders happen in your life. Such a good line it is written. Just you have to unite yourself. Think for 5 minutes alone. Think what you want to do. How you are gonna trust your process. How you are gonna do hard work in which you want to achieve. Okay, see, I have also not achieved anything in my life. I'm in process, and I have inculcated these values in my life which give me strength. So it is not I am something very big person or nothing of that sort. I am struggling person. Lockdown phase, my life changed in this lockdown because I was emotionally, mentally very weak person. But I realized this what was lacking in me. There was a thought pattern which was going on. Every time I'm doing something, oh my God, every time it is like that. So I want to say that this lockdown changed me because I thought of myself. Started believing in spirituality, which is very necessary. You would realize in the later age of your life, spirituality is something which you needed. But when you are going to do that, this is the right time. So think about yourself कि करना क्या है, कैसे करना है, कि बस कोई कुछ someone is saying something and in that trap you are also going in. नो भाई, ट्रैप में नहीं आना है कि ये ऐसे नहीं हो रहा, वो वैसे नहीं हो रहा. वो उसका थॉट है. आपको अपने लिए एनालाइज करना है कि क्या थॉट आपको अपने अंदर रखना है, क्या नहीं रखना है. जस्ट put a delete, a stop button where you have to stop thinking, because many of the time you will see the things which you are thinking that is not happening in reality. मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. मैं कभी कभी सोचती हूँ अरे ये तो ऐसे होने वाला है, अब क्या होगा, और फ्यूचर का सोच के प्रेजेंट में को खराब कर लिया और प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर भी वैसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. फिर रियलाइज होता है ओ माय गॉड आई वाज रॉन्ग. So that thing, I deviated myself. What I was telling you is all you have to do is unite mentally and emotionally with the good. Just mentally, emotionally वही सोचना है जो आपको चाहिए रियलिटी में. तो ये मेंटली और इमोशनली अगर ये चीज़ आपके अंडर कंट्रोल में है ना, तो बॉस एवरीथिंग वुड बी इन योर कंट्रोल. अगर यही दोनों आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है ना, तो कुछ भी कर लो नहीं हो पाएगा. तो ये मान लो, तभी आपका उस हिसाब से आपका सबकॉन्शियस रिएक्ट करेगा, रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा. अगर वही सोचते रहोगे मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, ओ माय गॉड अब क्या करूँ, ये फेलियर हो गया, वो फेलियर हो गया. आई नो फेलियर इज़ रियलिटी, इट्स नॉट कि, लेकिन यू हैव टू गेट बैक ऑन द ट्रैक कि करना क्या है. इस फेलियर को लेके बैठे नहीं रहना है, ठीक है. तो इसीलिए, और अगर आपने अपने आप को यूनाइट कर लिया मेंटली और इमोशनली, तो डेफिनेटली miracles are gonna happen. So yeah, this was the end of the introduction of this book. I think after this the chapters will begin, but this I would start some of the lines of this chapter and the upcoming chapters in the next video. Or this is my first video, but I was thinking it since years to do this thing because I have gone through a lot. And definitely there are many YouTube channels which would be helping you to regain your strength and mentally, emotionally. But अगर मेरे इस वीडियो से किसी एक को भी कुछ सही लगे, कुछ मदद मिले, I would be more than happy. My aim would be accomplished of this channel. So yeah, thank you for bearing me. Sometime I do overacting, but kindly bear it because मैं एक बार एक्शन में निकलती हूँ तो मैं निकल जाती हूँ, मुझे रियलाइज नहीं होता. तो फिर yeah, this is it. Okay then, I'm signing off. Bye bye. Take care and take care of your health. Health is wealth. Okay. कोरोना में सबको समझ में आ गया ये, लेकिन अब अप्लाई भी कर लो.